Will have in Japanese.
持つ、
English to Japanese. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, good to have you here. Let's kick off with energy and a smile. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and minigames. Today you'll master the future idea of will have in Japanese with the powerhouse verb.
持つ、
Expect jokes, chants, and quick wins. Ready? Let's go. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every person of will have like a champ. I will have. Use.
持つ、
In future context. You will have, sing.
あなたは持つ、
He will have.
彼は持つ、
She will have.
彼女は持つだろ
It will have.
う。それは持つだろ
We will have.
う。私たちは持つ、
You will have, plural. Base verb.
持つ、
With group context works great. They will have.
彼らは持つ、
Forms remix. Clap clap and echo after me. Feel that rhythm. I will have.
持つ、
You will have.
あなたは持つ、
He will have.
彼は持つ、
She will have.
彼女は持つだろ
It will have.
う。それは持つだろ
We will have.
う。私たちは持つ、
You all will have.
持つ、
They will have.
彼らは持つ。
Mini dialogues and examples. Listen, smile, and then repeat out loud, own the lines. I will have a new car next year.
来年、私は新しい車を持つ予定だ。
Tomorrow, you will have a new book.
明日、あなたは新しい本を持つ。
He will have time in the evening.
彼は夕方に時間を持つだろ
She will have a chance tomorrow.
う。明日彼女はチャンスを持つだろ
It will have updates next week.
う。来週、それはアップデートを持つだろ
We will have a new plan soon.
う。間もなく、私たちは新しい計画を持つ。
You all will have many opportunities.
間もなく、あなたたちは練習する機会をたくさん持つでしょう。
They will have the documents by noon.
正午までに彼らは書類を持つ。
Culture tip. Matsu versus Eru versus Iru. Here's a quick nuance that makes you sound supernatural. Use.
持つ、
When you own, hold something. For existence, use
ある、
things, or
いる。
people, animals. Own, hold. I have a pen.
ペンを持つ。
Existence. There is a pen on the desk.
机にペンがある。
To express polite likelihood, add
でしょう。
you, plural, will have.
あなたたちは持つでしょう。
Lightning drills. Your turn, answer fast after the invisible beep. Say, we will have time.
私たちは時間を持つ。
Say, he will have a bike.
彼は自転車を持つだろ
Say, it will have Wi-Fi.
う。それは Wi-Fi を持つだろ
Say, you will have the chance, sing.
う。あなたはチャンスを持つ。
Say, they will have new ideas.
彼らは新しいアイデアを持つ。
Quiz time. Mini quiz. Shout your answers, then check. Which Japanese base verb matches will have? Answer.
持つ。
How do you say, she will have?
彼女は持つだろ
Fill the blank. Ashita, blank, atarashihon, you will have, sing.
う。あなたは持つ。
Translate. They will have enough time.
彼らは十分な時間を持つ。
Final challenge. Now it's your stage, speak it into reality. Make 3 lines. I will have, we will have, they will have, and say each with.
持つ、
Bonus rhythm run. From I will have to they will have without stopping, end with a victory whisper.
持つ。
Thanks from Synapse Lingo. You crushed it, high five. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a few lines daily, recycle these drills, and you'll own the future forms in no time. For more lessons, quizzes, and printable cheat sheets, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, brought to you by Synapse Lingo.